Hey guys, how is it going? This video is about SelectorsHub, a new browser extension that will generate, write and verify selectors required by your day-to-day automation tasks. I must say that it generates selectors in a simple and optimized manner. It's available on major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera and so on. Let's get the demo started. For this session, I will be using the automation website that I've created so all of you can practice and improve your both automation and manual skills, gathering into a single place a variety of the most common web elements that we as QA engineers have to face with. I will leave its link in the description below. Let's imagine that we've got a register form and we want to obtain the selectors for its fields. Nothing simpler than using this extension. You just need to right-click on each field and the SelectorsHub option will be displayed. Out of the box, it provides only relative XPath. For those of you who prefer the CSS selectors, I've got good news. We can add that option as well. Let's do it. Firstly, if you already installed the extension, you should have its logo displayed in this section. Just click on it, then mark the CSS selector option as well. Great! Now, if we right-click on the element again, voila! There is another way of getting even more selectors by checking the inspector. You should be able to see the SelectorsHub sidebar tab, and with just a click, a list with many other selector types will be displayed. Also, in this tab, you can verify a selector written by yourself. For example, let's check an input element that has a type attribute with a text value. Enter, and as you can see, SelectorsHub says that there are two elements matching this selector.